The next important topic in the chapter permutation and combination is combination. Now before discuss combination, let me tell you one thing. Now I am having these pens of three different colors. Now if suppose I have to make a signal for these things, so this is black, blue and red. Now if I am just changing this like this one, so this becomes now red, blue and black. So we are having two different combinations for this one. Either it is this side, it will appears one different, and if it is this side, then it appears different. Okay. So this was for three different colors. Now if I am having this one, two colors, now this is one signal, and if I am doing like this, I have just changed the shape, then what it will be? What you will be saying? You will be saying, sir, same, because first of all, like this also it was black and black, like this also it is black and black. Okay, so this is a combination. This is combination. Okay, so for example, now we have a garland for the beads. Then how we can identify from where we have started if they are of the same type, same colors? Is it okay? So that is a combination. Okay. Now, but if we are taking something for different objects, then it becomes a permutation. We have already discussed the permutation. So let's go over a definition first. Now, definition. Now, each of different group or selections. We have used the word selection and arrangements in the permutation. So each of the different groups or selections which can be made by taking some or, that it be some or different, or you can write it some or all. Okay, so let's write it all. Some or all of a number of things at a time irrespective of the order. Irrespective of order is called combination. Is called combination. Now again, this was a statement. Now let me explain you in second manner now. By the number of combination, of n things taken r at a time is meant the number of groups of r things, groups or selection. Okay, groups of r things which can be formed from n things. So this is what the combination. Now combination is denoted by, normally what we are writing? We are writing n, C, R, n on the top, capital C for the combination, and R, taken R objects at a time. Okay. or we can write it C N comma R, or we can write it N R like this, or we can also write it C N. So all these things are for the combination. Okay, now let me give you an example. Now example, the letter of 3, or you can write it just making it more interesting. Okay, the combination of 3 letters, the combination of 3 letters, say A, B and C. The combination of 3 letters C, say A, B and C. Now what we can make it? Taken from these letters, what we again taken 2 at a time. Taken 2 at a time. Now what we can make it? Only AB, BC and CA. Now can you tell me that can you make any other combination for it? If you are writing BA, one and the same thing, AB, BA. What I gave you, if it is for this part, either it is this one or it is this one and the same thing. Like this, okay. So AB, BC and CA, nothing more we can get it. So that is what? That is a combination.